pida unilogim dis la konta ya. Na pida unilogim mo le strip na bote ilogima. Wogo dabia. Yemogime man maglo pida unil. Na pida unil and hitman. Ilogima. MC service come lo country. Yeah, no change Marape mstabia first time mstabia no second time nige what is that? Tuna talk. Logo mamla sani ne megimia. Price book go adapt through. How sick go? Free go adapt through. University here, school fee go adapt. Free no go. Mr. Leta must give it. No, no, I'm school fee. Kali school fee center up there ilmu. You look man. Ile go to no re pakaro kaki kan dental kudi arante musga ma yen des ko must give it. We muri go school fee priest. Ete kan le fee university me ngai ko tawa. David bau to ko miri we matti bau te ni we. Sante mandi kana sante sarra sante iri gel monte bena e kana iki bana ga bena ga pote yuma yi monte we. Mai we sit in protest mai era denna. Mandi mai karta ma mu khara me people. Kar stop me to kamile mura no right position dena. O kanu buge muri ko bura delega. Rest in peace nede. What you get monta. You know what it is? Mi bla wari lo mi bla ye to senda mi bla lagi. Kapan by change to senda mi bla sida usta. You can kill me you don't. Because citizen. Because citizen go Papua New Guinea mi bla ga no go right.
Sorry, good evening, fellow Papua New Guinea.
Yeah. Good evening, fellow Papua New Guineans. I am retired Colonel Walter Mena. I am coming to this, you, my people, and my leaders, as a citizen that is concerned. Firstly, from the outset, let me thank our two mandated leaders, the current Prime Minister, James Marape, Honorable James Marape, and the alternative Prime Minister, Sir Peter Epithas. Both of these leaders, for the first time in the history of this country, have given our people, the mandated leaders, an opportunity to freely decide where and how to vote in this coming vote of no confidence that is now will be run in next couple of hours' time. As a senior citizen, as a concerned citizen, I am thankful for these two leaders for the first time have allowed our people's mandated leaders to consciously, freely, hopefully freely, make a decision that will have a major impact on the future development of this country and the leadership that we have been crying for. For that reason, I am coming on air and I'm appealing to our mandated leaders, because changes of leadership in a Westminster democratic system can happen within the parliamentary process and within our given constitution. And the parliament is the one institution that glues the country together. And the mandated leaders are empowered by our people to make a quality choice as to who will lead us to the next 2 or 3 years before the next general election. Now, this decision is very important. It is not about fighting for the past wallet block country. This is about a consensus of which leader can glue the country together, that is seen to be fair, that distribute the wealth of the nation equally right across the board, where the perception right now is the current government has not done so. And it is now and has entertained by a small group of people that have a powers to move where the resources should go and would go. And that is the issue. Are we, the rest of the country, going to sit down, and you, the leaders of the rest of the country, going to sit down and allow this kind of leadership to continue? Or are you going to say, that's going to stop? That is going to stop, and you've got to make a decision now. Because if that decision is not made now, when the opportunity is there right now, then there's no telling how far this leadership will take the country to in next couple of years, and they will definitely entrench themselves for the next 5 years. Here is an opportunity to make a conscious decision that will benefit the country, and we have that opportunity now. I'm appealing to all the elected members of the parliament to make a decision. The power that you hold, that is empowered and given to you by your people, to use that mandate to make that powerful decision and choice by your choice and by your conscience for the benefit of our people. Thank you.
Well, kaitai man pull up long government side. We have fast forgotten our Black Wednesday. So many terrible things happened. Plenty SME, plenty big businesses lost their properties and, suffered the loss. Now plenty asua stop yet when a government blue me. We have NVF saga, we have a gold bullion saga, we have Manu saga na. Plenty all saga stop yet, plenty all issues stop yet na. The politicians seem to be watering down all these issues with their good talks. Plenty something in Yasua. Now, we the citizen of this great nation of ours, we blow grassroot Pilipen. We are suffering. We are silently suffering. Tin fish na rice price go hand up. Now, we the citizens, we can live on 1 meal a day, while you, the politician and your family and your cohorts are enjoying 3 meals a day.
Time mibla come up member. Online lo mibla lo plus or kirap no magi mibla got big la driman. That's all time you come down lo mosby. This lo got tintin na driman lo people le mosem got big la ask him na compromise pasin ba kama. Because lo dislakan politics am stop in islo ya. Politics where member all man maki mem all got driman na bel na tintin all give me mandate. Mandate and big plus something to mas. Mibla no nap kam na pamugi mandate lo ya. That's all time mibla kam liya na mibla lugum also man la kama prime minister and make him na all member can all go underneath lo leg blood isla prime minister. Now all lustintin also all one kind leader also isla prime minister and come leader. One kind power him holim na mibla makim. Now all member all come up geli now all member all lustintin also all people blow all makim. This la in one black king na queen am running this la country na mibla stab. This is the independent state of Papua New Guinea. Yeah. Mibla stab and mibla leader blo people, mibla leader blo tribe, mibla papa blo place, mibla gat mumu place blo mibla, sin place blo mibla kamlia, mibla tok all man sarem tok. Na mibla kamlia na mibla kamap mangina, mibla stop lab na mibla roll call. Na all kirap na tok, disla member am stop or no gat? Yes, me stop. No gat one lo man and boss blo mibla. All gat disla 110 members of parliament now stop in cell of parliament. All gata, all boss, all leader, people blow makimol no come. Na disla mi blow gata woklo lustinte. Mi blow no nap stop na larim. Or some old man will come up money man na country bagarap. Mi blow no nap looking or some police bagarap. All gata man, all karim hayakar around, all running business, all make him na law no damn bagarap. Mi blow mas tintin. How will kill him or legally or picking in about lo bada ya. Or Roshi Belrob lo picking in your bagarap picking in your kill him. Na suppose this land picking in you make him on him. This like something must talk me also. Prime Minister, am no fit lo running country. You mean not talk also tomorrow something bo right? 6 plus Christmas come now go here, please. 6 plus Christmas. Am come a Prime Minister lo 2019 and now middle start 2025. Now 1 plus something innocence. This land must talk him you. They must talk him all get a member. Please, enough. Bless Bagrab. This man am no saw lo one walk and make him. Am no fit lo Prime Minister. Is it a sol you black am you black him. Na mok lo senisim mama lo blo mibla kama bim kaingen lo na dislakain na stop him all sumatin lo make him all protest stop him all man lo talk stop him all man lo bong stop him all man lo talk out na talk straight dislakain pasina and you will come up one him country name lo manem James Marape or name lo manem Adolf Hitler this land free country country blo mibla free country so all this law member no line of staff lab all must look him now I'm last chance blo. Suppose this time no go na mibla opposition mibla stop no mibla look him. Am alright. This la Prime Minister blu ibla emba stab nemba karim country go inshallah 2027. Plus babagara. Lo symbol sa top. Ground sa book brook logan emba brook, pick sa backpack logan emba sa backpack. Beginning lo device sa pundown logan emba pundown. Passing blo man no sa change. Passing emba stab yet. So me look lo this la something na time you bla brook in budget na you bla kirap na you bla game zero balance to swawe. Na you kirap na you put him, you publish him inside lo this la budget paper lo 2025. And you make him sound like a noob lo passing lo me. Na lo my people. All people lo swawe. Simbutu you rouse him name lo me bla you bla no game PIB funds. One can pass in you bla make him lo he require the honorable member kidi do all people blogan. Em some la noob la style na noob la passing lo come up in birwa na come up in some like in long type. Scale him peak walk you me walk lo make him layer. You la scale him peak you scale him straight. So suppose you blow first time member, you blow no look sawe. All Sam James Marape and all this la squad blow all come here. All Barabi place na mitla kamak member. Now this la 11th parliament all first time member. Now kind something of kirab no Barabi sawe or Barabi miri query. You first time member but you look sawe na talk some. Oh please minu na blarim this la kind passing member kamak. Mino stop lea na place some Barab. Now tasol mi come lea. All brother blow me all two all come up member na people blow all la look him some la nubla senis come up lo Papua Guinea. Now all some heavy stuff me must support him. Now you not support him. Am I right? You may be stable soon. By you looking. Tomorrow loan order ba fix, tomorrow housing ba fix, tomorrow road ba fix, tomorrow school ba fix. By you may looking. Tomorrow cash flow ba fix, tomorrow am ba you black karim nuk lo wakam na 1 million all man Mary all stable garape am ba fix. Man, 6 black Christmas you stable one up na as that you talk. Now ba you start in agriculture. 6 black Christmas you stable where? You may kusai lo mark. This la something na mibla lucky also more people maki mibla na mibla come inside lo parliament. You blow member of parliament time scale you blad looks out you blow one can man some prime minister make him decision na isi tasol come no bong because you blow stable up you blow na make him one the something lo improve him all got heavy come up lo country stabe. Em lilik talk blow me. Na you blow la stable up am right stable up by him stable also. Thank you.